Hello everyone and welcome back to the Crypto Yield Farmer. Okay, so it's been a boring couple of weeks, nothing much have happened, and our balance is still in the low 60s, and yeah, you can see not much has been happening in my portfolio the last couple of weeks. This is 1 month. Today I'm going to try a Norwegian crypto. Someone has made a token for the real estate market in Norway, and the Norwegian real estate market has been pretty much going up for a very long time. I think it's about to change, so I will not go into this very heavily, but anyway, I want to try it, and I really love that Norwegians also can be innovative. Alright, so what am I talking about? I'm talking about this. I've been telling you that I've been trying to invest in some other companies, and on folkinvest.no I tried to invest into Horde.no, which is like a bank, a TradFi, traditional finance startup. And they actually, out of nowhere, they developed this Bustad.io, Bustad, which is Old Norwegian for living place. They developed this this token, which is, as you can see, backed by the Norwegian real estate market. And they write one of the world's most stable countries. Yes. Norway is super stable and very boring. We will see, however, how Norwegians deal with higher interest rates. There's one factor when it comes to investments, and that is interest rates. And that's, yeah, it's going up, so the real estate market might crash. But anyway, I'm going to try this. And also remember, I'm not a financial advisor by any means, so please don't use money that you can't afford to lose in this market. Anyway, so I'm going to try their app. And I've already connected my wallet, but you can click up here, it says connect. Now I am at the Binance chain. But anyway, let's try their buttons, see if it works. Okay, so far so good. EIG, that's the name of the real estate token that you can get. Yeah, I know this is they are on Ethereum, but I'm on Binance chains, so I really just want to see if they had a system to tell you if you're on the wrong chain, but they don't. Anyway, so we go to Ethereum. Maybe I'll try with the shields down. Maybe it's because I don't have any money. Oh, I have to spend some. Let's do 0.1 Ethereum. And then I create BUSC, which translates into 130 EIG. Yeah, let's try. Exciting. Okay, confirm. Let's see if many people are actually interacting with this contract. I believe it would be I think it's very few who are working on this contract, but I can be surprised. Yeah, not too much activity. One each day, it looks like. Let's see what people spend. Ooh, that's a big buyer. 21 ETH for the Bustad coin. Or the Bustad token, I should say. Okay, but I really love that we have traditional finance and DeFi actually merging, which probably will be integrated into their solutions for banks anyway. So, okay. So now I have my EIG. Do I have to, no, this mint, it means swap, I guess. Can I swap it back? No. Okay. But now I have 129 in this governance. Okay, so I claim this. I'm not paid or sponsored in any way, by the way. That's why I'm a little bit critical of it too. All in all, I'm really happy that Norwegian companies are starting to work on this. But I'm also critical. I'm not paid in any way, and I expect to lose everything, as usual, with super new and super small projects. Okay, seems everything is working. We'll see in the future how much EIG can do for us, or if we can give something back too, of course. So a disclaimer is, as you can see, the Bustad project is created by Horde, the Norwegian fintech company. I do have stocks in Horde too, so there's something in it for me to show you all this, but not much anyway. And you see their vision is to actually start tokenizing homes. So this could be a good project. I doubt that Norway is ready for such an exciting project, but on a global basis, it could be a good one. And also as a side note, I really want to say that I hope this is the way the traditional stock market is heading, that you're able to buy a token and you're able to trade it on decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap. There should be a marketplace for unlisted stocks, and by unlisted I mean stocks not on an exchange. So if you had a Uniswap for stocks, then that would be mind-blowing. Everyone would want to buy stocks, but right now stocks are terrible. Stocks are, they're not liquid in any way, so the company can choose to do whatever they want with your money or your investment anyway. Okay, so let's farm. It's been 2 weeks already, so we have some catching up to do. What is this? So slow today? Something wrong? So let's see if there's any if it's necessary to actually take out any money from Curve. I mean, the yield on my Bitcoin pool would be so low that the fees for getting out the Curve tokens will probably not be worth actually doing a transaction here. Yeah, I can claim 2.4 CRV, but actually that will, it will cost me more money than actually it's worth. So I will just leave my Bitcoin Curve farm alone for the most part. Maybe take out at the end of the year. Did I do something wrong with the curve on Avalanche? I mean, obviously this is too low. I've done something wrong here, right? I have forgotten to deposit, maybe? No. Yeah, I haven't staked it. That can lose you so much money. Very stupid of me. Okay, so that's why this week's video will show super low returns, and it's because of user error. Be sure to stake. It can be it can be a bit confusing. Be sure to stake your crypto, that's for sure. All right, good returns here on VVS, at least. In a week with lots of disappointments, the Ren BTC farm and the forgot staking on Curve. feels good to see some yields from VVS, even though their network is always a bit naughty. Beethoven X also delivers really good returns. Good to see in a boring week. Nice design. I love the nice design. Synapse has always been the best design, one of the best designed websites in the decentralized space. But I mean, I don't like that Synapse, you cannot trade your Synapse tokens on the Synapse exchange. I mean, that's a bit low. I know it's only stable coins here, but it's still a bit low to create your token and then you have to go to like PancakeSwap to swap it. You leave it in the hands of like common people to have liquidity for your Synapse token. I mean, that's a bit cheap. You should give people a possibility to trade your token, in my humble opinion. Okay, so we move everything to Binance Chain. I didn't get anything on Avalanche because I forgot about the Curve token, so next one would be Polygon. And I like how you can just press here and then you switch the network. Oh, it's so annoying how every single site actually wants to add their own network, even though the network URL is the same, it's the same chain ID, but everyone wants to make their own chain in your MetaMask. It's actually it's a problem, a security problem, because that means you become so blind to all the new networks that suddenly there will be one group of people making a fraudulent network, and you will lose your money that way because you can't keep track of all the networks, right? I forgot about the fees on Synapse. It's not as good as multi-chain, so I'm losing like $1.50 for every transaction here, but it does look beautiful. If I didn't do this as much, I would use Synapse every time, but next time I will go back to multi-chain. As usual, I will send my farmed money to crypto.com card, so it's available for me to spend. 130 USD. Oh my, that's a horrible. Yeah, that's a really bad farm this week. I mean, we have been farming for 2 weeks and I forgot to put in the Curve farm. So this week has been terrible, but it's because of my own mistakes and some of my own priorities. Bitcoin doesn't give a lot of yield, and I knew that before I put it there, but I really wanted to have some more Bitcoin right now. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this time, and I'll see you in the next one.